Welcome to this new activity, which is about computing indefinite integrals. So here we're going to use basic rules. Let me first remind you the basic rules. The integral of x to the power of n, the x is x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus a constant c. The integral of exponential x, the x is exponential x plus c. And the integral of 1 over x, the x is ln of the absolute value of x. For the first integral, we're going to compute the integral of 15 x to the power of 5 dx. Of course, we can put the 15 outside the integral. And here, we're going to compute the integral of x to the power of 5 using the first rule here. So it gives x to the power of 6 over 6 plus c. Second one, it's the integral of x to the power of -3, and the rule, the power rule, which is the first one here, applies also for negative powers. So the only case which is forbidden is when n equals -1, and this is the third rule. Okay, now we apply it, so it gives x to the power of -2 over -2, since -3 plus 1 is -2, plus a constant c. Next one, third integral, which is the integral of 10 times x to the power of 3 over 2 dx. Again, here the power rule, we can put the 10 outside, okay? And we apply the power rule, so it gives x to the power of 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus c. Of course, you can simplify this expression, so it gives 2 over 5 times 10 times x to the power of 5 over 2. So it gives 20 over 5, which is 4 x to the power of 5 over 2 plus c. For the fourth one, we have the integral of 3 square root of x plus 2 over square root of x dx. And to compute this integral, we need to write the square roots as powers to be able to apply the power rule. So let's write it as a power. It's the integral of 3 times x to the power of half plus 2 times x to the power of -half, since the square root is in the denominator, okay? And here we apply the power rule again. It gives 3 times 1/2 plus 1 is 3 over 2, so it's x to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus 2 times, and here -1/2 plus 1 is 1/2, so it gives x to the power of 1/2 over 1/2 plus a constant c. Now we can simplify this a bit, so it gives 3 and 3, they're cancelled, so we will get 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 4 times x to the power of 1 over 2 plus, okay? For the fifth one is the integral of 3 over x dx, which is equal to 3 the integral of 1 over x dx. And remember that the integral of 1 over x is ln of the absolute value of x. So here we're going to write that it's equal to 3 ln of the absolute value of x plus c. For the last one, it's the integral of 5 exponential x dx. And here, nothing to do. The integral of exponential x is exponential x times 5, so it gives 5 exponential x plus c. we are done with this first activity about indefinite integrals. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next videos.